In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the fixed asset module in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, keeping track of your fixed assets is essential for accurate financial reporting. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is set up your asset types and your chart of accounts. Begin by navigating to the Accountant tab, where you'll select Fixed Assets. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage and categorize the various types of fixed assets your business might hold. Once you're there, click on Manage Asset Types, and then you'll see an option to add a new one by clicking on Plus New Fixed Asset Type. This is where you can be very specific about your assets. Fill in all the relevant details such as the name, depreciation method, and how frequently you intend to depreciate it. Each of these parameters can significantly affect your financial documents, so it's important to be precise here. After you've set up your asset types, you'll need to adjust your chart of accounts. Go ahead and create a new fixed asset account. An example could be computer hardware. This is done by going to your chart of accounts section. Here, don't just add an account, but ensure that it's linked properly. Select the option to associate it with a line item on the transaction, which not only helps in categorizing your expenses, but also creates a vital audit trail that enhances your financial accountability. Now that you've set up your asset types and accounts, the next step is recording your fixed assets, and this can be done in a couple of ways. If you've received a bill for a new asset, navigate to the Purchases section and click on Plus New Bill. Enter the vendor's name along with the bill details. As you enter the item details, make sure to select your fixed asset type and rate. When everything matches up, go ahead and save, then approve the bill. Alternatively, if you're logging an expense, you can do this through the Expenses module. Click on Plus New and select a fixed asset account from the drop-down menu. Fill out all necessary details and then just hit Save. Once you've saved your bill or expense, hop back to the Fixed Assets tab. Your new asset should now be visible in that list. From here, you have the option to mark it as active, indicating that it's part of your operational assets. Taking this step is essential for keeping your records straight, and it will help immensely in future reporting or accounting audits. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to starting with the fixed asset module in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for managing your fixed assets effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.